Police in Kayole have made a significant breakthrough by arresting a major supplier of cannabis, Bhang, following a tip-off from the public. According to Kayole Sub-County Commander Mr. John Owuoth, 2 suspects, a man and a woman, were arrested on suspicion of operating a drug den in Obama Estate, Kayole. The police recovered 130 kilograms of cannabis, a vehicle believed to have been used to transport the substance, and assorted fake number plates. The police have warned drug peddlers to change their ways, stating that their days are numbered.
We had an intel about these drugs, that it is being suspected somebody is using one of the houses within this area to store these drugs, then transport them to other areas. So we laid an ambush today, and apparently they were caught. 2 people were arrested with these other drugs with different number plates, and we also suspect that the one which is attached and affixed to this vehicle is not the correct number. It's just to confuse any other person that may be suspecting that the vehicle is not being used for the right purpose. The recoveries are those stones, brooms, and this number plates, plus even the weighing machine they are using.
How many kids?
About 130.
Street value?
And street value, I'm not sure, but approximate about 3 million.
Just how?
It is just advice to members of the public to continue cooperating with the police, so that we don't allow this type of business to continue within our area, because it destroys young people. Yes. The people that we have found are the owners. Any other thing will be investigated later. But the people who are found in possession of this are the owners.
Is it?
Leo kama saa 10 tulipata habari kwamba iko watu wanasafirisha bangi kutoka hii area. So officers wetu kutoka Obama wakakuja, na kwa ukweli wakapatikana watu na hizi bidhaa, hizi kiasi, number plates hizi, zile mashini ya kupima, na watu 2 wamenaswa na watakuwa arraigned in court. Wataenda kotini tukiendelea na uchunguzi, mahali inapelekwa, mahali inauzwa, wateja ni akina nani.
Street value yake ni kama pesa ngapi?
Street value ni kama 3.1 million. Kama milioni 3 na about 130 kilograms. Imewekwa na some sellotapes, wamefunga vizuri ndio wapeleke mahali wanaenda kuuza kwa their customers. Macho wakiona vitu kama hizi wapige ripoti mara moja kwa polisi, tusaidiane, kwa sababu ikiwachelewa iende kwa wananchi ya kawaida, inaleta hii ugonjwa kubwa sana mpaka inapoteza watu.
The suspects will appear in court soon as the police launch an investigation into the source of the drugs, which are reportedly having a detrimental impact on the younger generation.